Everybody can do it. Everyone can create. So everyone, let's end with a little song again. Everyone repeat after me. You can unmute if you can. Do you let the light in? Do you let the light out? Do you shine? Really shine? Do you dance with the light? Does the light dance with you? Do you shine? Really shine. All right. Thank you all for your big smiles. Takes the same idea and repeats it over. And so this is a very, very central part of all music, the idea that things repeat. You have, remember when you were children, you probably sang, London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. So that phrase, falling down, it just repeats. That song would not be the same if it were, London Bridge is falling down. Just wouldn't be as
We're going to do
interesting.
step one, and then we're going to do step two, and then step three. Step one. Well, there was a little girl, and she had a little curl. We want to see what happens when we repeat some of those words. And let me give you some possibilities. Watch. Well, there was a little girl, a little girl, a little girl, and she had a little curl, a little curl, a little curl. So I took the last three words and I repeated them in each phrase. That's just one idea. I can do, well, there was a little girl, and she had a little curl. See what I did? I repeated there was and she had. But I can also do, there was a little girl, and she had a little curl. So there's a million possibilities of what I can do. And going down. Sometimes it's, this is the melody, it's going down and down. This is the melody, it's going up and up. So every melody has a shape. But here's the fun part. When you look at the words, right? You look at the words, and the words are going to tell you what shape to do it in. So, for example, and so her poor dog had none, all right? You think about this. We've already decided that that's going to be slow. And so her poor dog had none. You think about the shape of that. Is it kind of a big thing going high and like this? And so her poor dog had none. That's starting low and going up high. Or is it like this? And so her poor dog had none. So that one I went down, and the first one I went up. So which one should we do? Logan, tell us.
Down.
Going down. Down it is. This is a song I wrote called The Birthday Swing. This is for all the people with birthdays coming up. I didn't tell you this, but you have to dance. Here we go. All right, here we go. And everyone else in your chairs, just move your shoulders a little bit. Here we go. You were born not so long ago, on a day not unlike today. You was born, I was born, we all was born. A little more movement. And with a million birthdays yet to be, happy birthday to you and me. Look at Mr. Krause, he's dancing. And with a billion birthdays yet to be, happy birthday to all you see. Happy, good to know you. Happy birthday, good to see you. Happy, healthy, smiling birthday to you. Bye-bye. Have a good